Experiencing one earbud not charging on your Samsung Galaxy Buds is a common frustration. This often stems from issues with charging contacts, battery degradation, or software glitches. We'll explore these root causes and why they lead to this asymmetric charging problem. In about 15 to 20% of cases, the issue is linked to hardware wear after 2 to 3 years of use. The most frequent cause of one earbud not charging is dirty or misaligned charging contacts. These are the small metal pins that connect the earbuds to the charging case. To clean them, use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe the metal pins on both the earbuds and inside the charging case. For stubborn dirt, you may need a slightly damp cloth with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure everything is completely dry before reinserting the buds and ensure the pins are properly aligned for a good connection. Sometimes a simple reset can resolve temporary software glitches causing the charging imbalance. Place both earbuds in the case. Close the lid and wait for 15 to 20 seconds. Then open the case and try charging again. This often recalibrates the power distribution between the buds. Outdated firmware can lead to charging inconsistencies. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your connected phone, navigate to Earbuds Software Update, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest firmware ensures optimal performance and may address charging-related bugs. Samsung released Galaxy Buds software version 7.1 in 2025, which addressed charging inconsistencies. Battery degradation is a common issue with aging Samsung Galaxy Buds. Lithium-ion batteries naturally lose capacity over time, especially after 2 years of use. One earbud may degrade faster due to uneven usage or slight manufacturing differences between the two buds. In these cases, replacing the battery is usually the most effective long-term solution, although it can be an expensive repair. When troubleshooting Samsung Galaxy Buds charging issues, checking warranty and replacement options is an important step. Samsung Galaxy Buds typically come with a 1-year warranty, which can be extended to 2 years in some regions. To proceed with warranty claims, contact Samsung support through their official channels or visit an authorized service center for assistance. If a hardware defect is confirmed during inspection, you may be eligible for a free repair or replacement of your device. For example, in 2025, Samsung issued a recall for certain Buds 2 units due to faulty charging docks, offering free replacements to affected users. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the one earbud charging issue with your Samsung Galaxy Buds, advanced steps may be necessary. First, try unpairing and repairing your Galaxy Buds with your phone. This can reset the Bluetooth connection and resolve synchronization issues causing uneven charging. Next, check for app-specific settings in the Galaxy Wearable app that might be causing uneven battery drain. Features like active noise cancellation or touch controls can affect power usage. Finally, as a last resort, perform a factory reset of the earbuds through the Galaxy Wearable app. This can resolve persistent software issues, but will erase all custom settings. Looking ahead, advancements like AI diagnostics in newer models, such as the Buds 3, can predict and alert users to potential charging failures before they occur. To prevent charging issues, keep your earbuds clean, store them properly in their case, and always stay updated with the latest software releases. By 2030, charging reliability is expected to improve significantly with advancements in solid-state batteries and machine learning technology.